How are you guys doing? How are you, prego mamas? If you're wondering what it looks like, this is where we are at 35 weeks, guys. Tell me, how big does this look? Does it look very, very big, or moderately big, or perfect? Another day in the life of a pregnant woman. I want to get to my friend's parents' house. She sent in some things to me, so I need to go and pick them today. She sent to me. I told her, I'm not going to be spending so much on clothes. I don't know. Are you team? Let's share our clothes together for babies. They'll grow all these clothes in no time. Are you open to passing it on from babies to babies? Or are you team, Africa, or we don't do all those type of things? I understand why people will do that, but I'm grateful for myself, I'm grateful for my friends, I'm grateful for the space that we are in, that we can easily that we can trust one another to be able to share this type of things with one another. So girl, I need to go and pick them today, but the boys are stopping by to get snacks. I can't even be bothered at this point. Look at look at me, I'm just everywhere, but we're looking good. Excuse me. Those bobs, those reflux, those heartburns, they are real. You almost seem like with every pregnancy, you almost forget all the symptoms you had with the previous one. It's just the love, but it is what it is. We are taking each day as it comes. There's something I wanted to also discuss. How the news you get from your doctor or your sonographer can impact you. So recently the last scan I did, learned that baby's placenta is on the anterior. So it means that it's in front, then there's posterior, then there's the ones at the side. There's fundal, and the fundal, I think fundal is the one at the top. And there's the one that is very close to the uterus. That is the one that causes placenta previa, where the doctor would have to, once you are at a certain stage, maybe 36 weeks, they quickly take the baby out just to save the mother, because you can have postpartum hemorrhage and some other things. Now let's talk about the one that is pertaining to me right now. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh my god, I'm even out of breath. Yeah, what I was saying is that my baby's placenta currently is at the anterior. That means it's in front. So it just got me worried. I had to start checking on YouTube, checking on Google, like what does having an anterior placenta mean? Because I've not seen my doctor after I went to the sonographer. So he said I should come with it in my next appointment. I was just like, let me just do that and get over with that one, so that once it's time for me to see him, I don't need to go for another ultrasound. But thankfully, he says that it's free from my uterine lining, so it's not blocking from my uterus, so it's not blocking anything. All right. Guys, my people are back, and I would have to probably continue this conversation some other time, but you won't even believe that I didn't pay attention to placenta until my third pregnancy. Let's talk about anxiousness. I remember putting out a video one time on how anxious a pregnant woman can get during pregnancy and how to manage it. I'm probably just going to sit down one of these days, because I also refer to that video myself. So if you have not seen the video, go ahead and I'll put it down in the description box, or I'll just tag it somewhere. Yeah, so this is some of the clothes that my friends sent in different sizes, but I'm going to just show you guys I did sort them. Oh my god, we have a lot of blues. Oh, look at this trouser. These are part of what my friend sent. Can you imagine? It's for 6 months and above. I thought it would be for 0 to 3 months. Oh my god, look at this yellow. Look at these are 6 months support. I think I separated them. I'll go and check now. I knew that I'd already sorted them. I just wasn't sure. This is another thing that my friend sent. This is changing pads. I love this. As much as it's going to be useful indoor, it's also going to be useful when I'm going out as well. I love this so much. I could easily fit in some wipes and diapers. And here are the clothes in their glories. These are for new. Oh my god. So these are some clothes. I can pair them with pop socks when we are in. So that's why I didn't buy these ones, because my baby girl hooked me up. Although we have a lot of blues, because our baby is a boy. Oh my god, this is so lovely. so lovely, so lovely. Oh my god, I'm getting the baby fevers already. I need to pack my bag. Can you see? So that's it, like this. I have a lot here. Thank you, babe. Thank you, bestie. Thank you, baby. You know yourself. Thank you, T. Thank you, mama. Oh my god, I will serve this animal. Can this be my thumbnail? Let's unpack together. I'm smiling from here to here. So I got this. My husband went for a conference and they gifted him this small Sebamed cream. So I know this is going to be handy for our bags. Thank you. I really wanted to buy their product as well because their product is really good, especially for babies with sensitive skin. Their product is really nice, but I tried getting the contact of the lady, I couldn't. This place is Ella Rough. We need to pack ourselves together and call it a day. That's it for today. If you did enjoy the unboxing, let me know in the comment section down below. What's your favorite thing? Is it the diapers? What's the most important thing? Give me like 3 lists of important things for you if you're shopping for your baby right now. For me, I would say diaper, wipes, clothes. Every other thing, you'll be okay. You will be okay. You'll be alright. Then receiving blankets if I'm going to start adding extra. Diaper, wipes, even wipes. You don't want to be using cold water on babies. Diapers, flannel. All those things are important. I also have breast pump. Well guys, I need to go. There's a breast pump my friend also sent. Yeah, let me show you guys. Part of the gift that my friend also sent to me. Another of my friend, House of Shariva, she gave me this complimentary tote bag. It's pink. It's pink. There's something else I wanted to show you. I got a sterilizing tablet. Guys, I don't know where I kept it. If I can find it, I will let you know, because I'm going to, inshallah, I hope that I can breastfeed for the most parts. But if it doesn't work for me, because it doesn't work for me before now, my goal is to always do 6 months exclusive. But I don't lactate that much. As part of helping myself and preparing my body for breastfeeding and lactation, there is something I have been using. Let me put you guys on it. It's Mama Lit. I use this. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It's called Mama Lit Granules. So all you just need is to put 2 spoons of this in the water. You can start taking it anytime from 7 months. So it's helps lactating. Like once I'm clean now, I try to also, another thing that I also do is to start cleaning the nipple and the areola area with water and cotton pad. So sometimes after thorough cleaning, I notice that I've started lactating, but it should just be sufficient. So alongside giving my baby the breast directly to latch on, I also pump as well. So I'm hoping that this breast pump that she sent is not the one, it's the one that would stay on your breast. It's convenient. When I can get to where it is, I'll show you guys. It's very convenient. So I'm hoping that it will also help my postpartum journey, because guys, postpartum is not a joke. Enough of the pep talk. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave the comments as earlier stated, and subscribe, share with a friend and a friend. You never know who will get this video or who will need it. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.